10 strange facts about Earth you won't believe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 of the strangest and most mind-blowing facts about our very own planet Earth. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see our home in a completely new way. Let's jump in. Fact 1. Earth's day is getting longer. Did you know your day is just a tiny bit longer than your grandparents' day? Every century, about 1.7 milliseconds are added to the length of a day. That's because the moon is slowly moving away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters a year. As it drifts, Earth's spin slows down ever so slightly. If we go back hundreds of millions of years, a day was only about 22 hours long. Imagine trying to fit all your work and Netflix binge time into that. Fact 2. Earth isn't perfectly round. From space, Earth might look like a perfect blue marble, but in reality, it's a little chubby. Scientists call it an oblate spheroid, which basically means it bulges at the equator and flattens a bit at the poles. This happens because of Earth's rotation. It spins so fast that the equator pushes outward. If you stood at the equator, you'd actually be about 21 kilometers farther from Earth's center than if you stood at the North Pole. Fact 3. We have oceans beneath our feet. You think you know Earth's oceans? Well, there's a secret. There are oceans deep underground, hidden in rocks hundreds of kilometers below the surface. Scientists have discovered minerals in the mantle that can store vast amounts of water, possibly enough to fill the oceans 3 times over. It's not liquid water like the surface oceans, but it's locked in crystal structures, making our planet's interior a massive hidden reservoir. Fact 4. Earth used to be purple. When we picture ancient Earth, we often imagine a blue ocean and green land. But billions of years ago, it might have looked purple. Early microbes may have used a pigment called retinal, which absorbs green light and reflects red and violet light, making the planet look violet from space. This was before plants evolved to use chlorophyll for photosynthesis. If you time traveled back, the world might have had a surreal, alien glow. Fact 5. The Sahara Desert was once green. Today, the Sahara is the largest hot desert on Earth. But just 6,000 years ago, it was unrecognizable. Rivers flowed through it, lakes sparkled under the sun, and grasslands were home to giraffes, hippos, and even crocodiles. This lush period is called the African Humid Period, and it ended due to shifts in Earth's tilt and orbit, which changed rainfall patterns. Ancient rock art still shows animals that no longer roam the desert. Fact 6. The moon quakes because of Earth. Here's a strange one. The moon shakes because of us. Our planet's gravity pulls so strongly on the moon that it actually stretches and squeezes it. This constant tug of war creates moonquakes. It's like Earth is giving the moon an endless massage, except instead of relaxing, the moon gets cracks and tremors. Without Earth's pull, the moon would be far calmer. But thanks to our gravitational grip, it's always feeling the strain. Fact 7. The deepest point beats Mount Everest. If you flipped Mount Everest upside down into the ocean, it would still be covered by water. That's how deep the Mariana Trench is. Its deepest point, the Challenger Deep, plunges about 11 kilometers below sea level. Down there, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, enough to crush a submarine if it is not specially built. And yet, life still thrives in that darkness. Fact 8. The North Pole moves. Don't trust your compass too much. Magnetic north isn't fixed. It shifts about 50 to 60 kilometers every year. This happens because Earth's molten iron core moves, creating changes in our magnetic field. Over centuries, the magnetic poles have even completely flipped. North becomes south and vice versa. If that happened today, GPS and navigation systems would need serious adjustments. Fact 9. Most oxygen comes from the ocean. Think trees are the main source of oxygen. They help. But more than half of the oxygen we breathe comes from phytoplankton, microscopic ocean plants. These tiny organisms use sunlight to photosynthesize, just like trees, but on a massive scale. Protecting our oceans isn't just about saving sea creatures. It is literally about keeping the air breathable. Fact 10. You're always moving. Even if you're lying in bed right now, you're moving at incredible speeds. Earth spins at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. It orbits the Sun at around 107,000 kilometers per hour. And our solar system itself zips through the Milky Way at roughly 828,000 kilometers per hour. So technically, you've traveled thousands of kilometers just while watching this video. So there you have it, to 10 strange and fascinating facts about our planet. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Earthlings. Until next time, keep exploring.